So, but I got surprises for wifey.
Ganyan si Mr. mag-surprise. Good morning, people! Welcome back to the vlog! Today is Thursday. Magpipilates ako for 1 hour and then after that, Zumba for 1 hour. Magkasunod kasi yun, guys. So, pupunta ako ng gym for 2 hours. Yung ano ko, since malamig na dito guys, palamig pala, hindi malamig. Yung medyo okay na yung weather. Naglinis ako kahapon. Ayan, magkagulo siya. Nilinisan ko yan, hinugasan, malinis na. Pati yung floor. Ayan, malinis na siya guys. Yung linisan ko pala, sunod is yung dalawang ano ni Mr. Ihawan. May isa doon. Yan, dalawa yan. Ayan, malinis na. Ayusin ko yan mamaya kasi yung iba medyo basa-basa pa. Ayan o. Ayan, medyo basa pa siya guys. Okay. Then, may kukunin tayo na box dito. Kasi may unboxing tayo saglit. This one. Wala nyo ano to guys. This one guys. Shoes. Bagong sapatos. Kaya na-excite pumunta ng gym kasi may bagong sapatos. Parang elementary days lang na pag may bagong sapatos, excited pupunta ng school. So ito guys, ito yung pinaka nagustuhan ko na, and try ko na yung Nike, Adidas, Under Armour na shoes. Nakapag-order na ako nito isang beses guys, and sobrang nagustuhan ko yung shoes. Hanggang ngayon, inaano ko pa siya. Yun ang pinaka-comfortable na shoes na suot ko every time na nagsusumba ako na hindi sumasakit or nagka-cramp yung mga daliri ng paa ko ba. Kung kaya, super nagustuhan ko siya guys, kaya nag-order ako ulit. And iba na naman yung kulay. Last time, ang kulay nun, ang kulay is may orange na may pagka-white. And look at this guys. Love it. May time pa tayo. Kasi 9:45 pa naman yung pilates ko guys. Ay, bongga. So yan. Bakit may sinulit? This is $140 guys. Pero talagang ito talaga yung komportable sa paa ko guys. Ay, yung Under Armour ko, ginagamit ko lang pag dito ako nag-workout sa loob ng bahay. Pero yung isa nito, ginagamit ko talaga pag nagsusumba ako. And by the way, kung sino mag-sponsor dyan, yung ano pala ng paa ko is 7.5 yung sukat ng paa ko guys. Ay, super nagustuhan ko siya guys. Okay. Nakakaano na naman to ng dumi. Pero dito, hindi naman masyadong maano guys, maputik. Not unlike sa Pinas, diba? Kasi ulan ng ulan. Dito paglabas mo, simentado doon sa atin. Minsan-minsan makakadaan ka pa ng yung may tubig. So, okay. I love this. Look at this guys, first time. Yung luma ko naman, nandito pa naman yung luma ko guys. Ginagamit ko rin. Ayan, salitan ko silang gamit. Ito pala yung pillow doon sa labas na nilabhan ko gahapon. Lalabas ko yan mamaya. This one. Ayan. Ayan yung luma ko. So, yung bago is medyo makapal yung spike guys. Spike ba tawag dito? Yung ano ba? You know, medyo makapal-kapal siya. Cloud Tech. Guys, try nyo to. Super maganda ito na shoes. Promise. Hindi kayo magsisisi pag ito bibilhin mo. So, on running ang ano ito, pangalan ng shoes. Ito yung box niya. Super simple lang yung box niya, guys. May pa-free pa dito. Ayan. Suot ko na siya, guys. I'm excited. Kasi magsumba tayo mamaya after my pilates. Ayan, hindi tayo nakikita ni ano. Ganda niya guys. Para siyang ano, barko. Barko sa pako. Super comfy siya gamitin. Ayan. Okay. Let's go na. And then after pala after kung sa gym, pupunta ako saglit ng grocery. May bibilin akong veggies na mga bata. Tapos ano pa ba yung bibilhin ko? Bibili din ako ng dinner namin mamaya. Si Mr. pala, ano na siya darating? Mga 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock. Pagod si Mr. guys. Okay, see ya mamaya! Hello people! I am home. May ginrocery ako na konti, guys. Nag-grocery ako ng konti. Kasi magluluto ako ng mechado, guys. Okay, hold tayo konti, guys. Umili ako ng beef. Yan. Ano ito siya, guys? $10. So, parang kulang siya, not enough. Dinagdagan ko. Is frozen, i-freezer ko na lang yung iba. Kasi marami yan for us. Iguan na kasi naanuhan ko na ng pagkain kahapon. And then, avocados, broccolis. Tomorrow is sweet day for the kids. Bilhan ko sila ng ice cream. Ayan. Mamili sila. Pero for me is coffee ice cream. Tikman ko tong Häagen-Dazs na. And then, ayan. Magsawa sila sa kakain ng ice cream tomorrow. And then, beef broth. And yung mechado ko, simpleng luto lang na mechado. Ano siya guys? Patatas. Yung Filipino style na mechado. Kasi favorite yun ni Brianna at ni husband. Si Liam kumakain din. Tomato sauce. Wala na din kaming cumin. Kumuha ko ng cumin. And yung isang Pilipina doon sa Zumba, pinigyan niya ako ng tubig. Bumili daw kasi siya ng maraming tubig. So yan. Ang sarap isayaw pagbago ang sapatos. Para ka talagang maglulun. Para ka talagang kabayong sumasayaw. Ang ganda dito sa paa. Hindi man lang sumakit yung paa ko, guys. Yan. Yung strawberries nila, wala masyadong ano ngayon na makikita kayong masarap. Yung fresh na strawberries ba? Ito lang yung ano ko. Paubos na kasi yung strawberries na mga kids. Ito na yung natira sa strawberries. Ayan. Inulutuin ko yan. Hiwain ko na yung ano, yung meat ko. And guys, kumuha din ako ng, alam niyo naman, mocha. Mocha for me. So, ito. Inom muna ako ng mocha guys. Tapos magluluto na tayo ng mechado. Yung super simpleng luto lang ng mechado. Okay guys, magluto na ako ng mechado. Mabilisan lang to guys kasi super easy lang naman tong lutuin. Kahit nakapikit yung mata nyo guys, ma-perfect nyo tong recipe na to. kids are here and Mr. is here.
Bringing surprises for everyone.
Wait, there's
So
a
the kids
toy
get
in
some
here.
little candy things.
What do you get for them?
Rock candy. This is
Little
rock candy.
candy,
Oh.
little toy things, some kind of
Oh.
Could you open it? Baba opened hers.
open it.
Like
You
that?
tie it.
No, could you open
So
it?
how's
Oh,
your
okay.
flight, Mister?
It was good. I didn't get much sleep. Hang on one second. I
Oh,
will.
poor
So, but I
husband.
got surprises for wifey. Surprises from
Thanks, honey.
Korea.
Now I will give him a kiss.
Yeah, that's
You should do this every flight, because I will
Bring
keep
you
asking.
something
Yeah,
nice.
I will keep asking you. You go fly. You go Singapore. You will go
that get expensive
Vietnam.
after a while. I can't.
Thanks, honey.
Okay, Mom.
Check it out. See if
Yeah.
see if you like the style.
Okay.
Hopefully you do, because I'm not going back there for a while.
Why?
Well, I just don't have a trip back there for Korea.
Anyway. How's your day, guys?
Good.
Oh, short unboxing. Quick unboxing tayo ng Gentle Monster, guys.
I don't want nothing.
I was trying
Look.
something.
I don't want nothing.
Wow, it's so cute. Is this the casing, right?
That's the case.
Looks so light. It's so light, Daddy.
Could I have a bowl?
Oh.
There's a
Oh, this is
10
cute.
You like that one?
Yeah.
Wait till you see it.
I can see.
Yeah, I was trying to find
Wow.
something that's different that you don't
Mhm.
have.
I don't want
Yeah, I get the bigger
A
ones
nice
too.
style for.
Oh.
Let's see what you
Terracotta.
Mhm. Yeah, look at that. You look like you're on film. You should be a movie
Thanks,
star.
honey.
Uh-huh.
You should do this I will be happy sending you all the time. Every day you can fly. I will not let you stay here. Yeah.
I think it's nice.
I know, I like it.
It's not like the big ones.
Uh-huh.
A lot of them are like this style. That's
Yeah.
the new style, I guess. I don't know.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, you look like you're on Hollywood. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh my God, it's perfectly like you don't need to,
Yeah.
like,
No.
Yeah.
I like it.
Uh-huh. Good.
Oh,
Good.
now
Mhm.
keep
Get that-
flying.
Keep flying. I'll have to pay for that.
Thanks, honey.
Mhm.
Look at, do you like it, guys?
No.
Yeah, mommy's new. You don't like your son?
Oh, I'm gonna use this when we go. Ah, okay.
Yeah. Next time we go on vacation.
Yeah. He was talking about he wants to go to Mexico, Daddy. Thanks, honey. I love this.
Good.
Oh,
Yeah. Can I lay down for?
Yeah.
You can take her. I'll pick her up.
yeah.
To,
You should be quiet, guys.
come
I
on.
will take you. I will take you to come on.
Let's go lay down.
Liam will
What's
finish. What's that? That's
Stay here.
boobies.
Oh.
I'm gonna lay down.
Thanks, honey.
You're welcome.
I love it.
Yeah, I thought you'd like this.
Mm-hmm.
There's a lot of them are like that style now. I mean, they still have the bigger ones like you have, but then a lot are like that, different colors.
Yeah.
And different.
No, I like black.
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay, everyone got surprises.
Okay,
except for
come on,
Daddy.
Papa.
Someone to hide this.
Daddy's surprises.
That's why I'm
potato.
cooking it for you.
Potato.
Someone has had this, please.
Okay. Liam, I want you to be quiet, okay? Because I will take Baba to, kusina ulit tayo. Fresh na ang fresh natin. Nag-half bath lang ako, guys. Hindi ko na binasa yung buhok ko. Kasi naligo naman ako kahapon. Okay. Nag-request si husband ng salad. Dito na niya, may salad yung mechado niya. So, gagawa ko ng salad, guys. Ako yung naghatid kay Brianna sa Kumon. Siya naman yung nagsundo. Wait. Silang dalawa ni Liam. Anyway natin itong natin. Alam niyo ba guys, buong araw na wala akong yung food, yung kinain ko, yung ininom ko lang is yung mocha. Yan lang. So sana tuloy-tuloy yung ganito, no? Kakatipid tayo. Pag ganito palagi yung tiyan ko guys, yung hindi naniningil ng pagkain ba. So ito yung watermelon, pineapple, and orange. Para hindi madami yung malamon ko mamaya. Kasi masarap yung ulam natin, guys. Yung mechado. Tamang-tama, nagluto ako nito. Yung pala, may pasalubong si Mister. Hindi ko talaga in-expect na na may pasalubong si Mister sa akin, guys. Na-surprise talaga ako. Ilalagay ko na yung ito. Yung potatoes at saka carrots. Ito din yung magiging ulam ng mga bata. Magluluto lang ako ng rice. May inano na ako. May yan, looks yummy na to, guys. Lagyan ko sana to ng green peas. Pero okay na yan. Ayan. Ganyan si Mr. mag-surprise. Wala ka talagang kaalam-alam. Surprise nga, di ba? Ito yung rice ko. Yung basmati rice. Inano ko na siya. Binabad ko na sa tubig. Magpapakulo lang ako ng mainit na tubig. And then, gawa ako ng salad. And then, sa mga bata, rice and steamed broccoli. So, yan. Ay, napagod ako, guys. Ay, sarap sa feeling. Naka2 oras ako sa gym. Tapos naka1 oras ako dito floor workout. Tapos pagtingin ko sa relo, ay, time ko na pala nasunduin sila sa sa school. Ayan, busy ang natin, no? Busy yung life natin. Sinong nagsabi na hindi busy yung yung nanay sa bahay? Busy. Busy. At paano na yan? Parang gusto ko ngayon na guys, na rice yung kakainin namin with ano ko ng cauliflower rice. Asia food ba?
We're all in vain.